Today I'm going to be installing a vent to atmosphere blow-off valve adapter on my 2017 Lincoln MKZ. Might as well go ahead and get it opened here. Ordered the Boomba black blow-off valve adapter. It's for the 2.7 Fusion, I believe, but it should fit on the 3.0, the same. It's Ford, it uses all the same parts anyway. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs to my car and we'll get started. All right, so the blow-off valve on these cars, obviously looking from the front of the car, is right here by the brake fluid reservoir. Where this gray clip is plugged into here. Now that has some weird hex bolts on it. I probably can't get close enough for you to see, but a 4mm socket fits perfectly on those to get them out. Let's see if I can set it down here. Probably not going to be able to. Ooh, perfect. Bam. I can get close enough here now. See, it's a hex, not even a hex, like a star pattern bolt. But luckily, a 4mm socket fits right on top of it. And then there's one back underneath the corner of this cover here, but you can kind of get to it. Now in theory, yep, it should come right off. Perfect. And now we have to go about getting the other one in there. All right, so now you got the boom blow-off valve adapter, and you have to line it up on here to whichever way the holes line up. So you just gotta spin it around until all the three of the holes line up, and then you can plop this back down on here, and hopefully get a bolt in there. Oh, and not drop the Allen key, that would be bad. Just get one threaded in. Glorious. Now I can get the other three put in. This back one's gonna be a pain in the ass. Cross-threading it, I don't care. That one's tight. The last one tightened down, and then we can give the car a good old start. She's tight. All right, now I'm gonna make sure I don't lose those stock screws, and go in the car, grab the keys. Here we go. I don't hear any of that.